your sheet Zayd from Zayd's Visions. And we see coding everywhere nowadays. We can see it in the cars we drive to the fridge we use. And so it's very wise to learn how to code. Thankfully, Python is one of the easiest programming languages there is. So this is part 1 of my Python series. Here I will teach you how to use Python and some of the basics. Today we will be looking at what is Python, who made Python, and why it is named Python. It could be any other name, right? Okay, so let's start. Okay, first of all, let's look at what is Python. Python is a high-level programming language made in February 21, 1991 by Guido van Rossum. He named it Python after his favorite television show, the BBC television show Monty Python's Circus. Okay, there are two modes in Python. The first mode is interactive mode. This is the screen you will see immediately when we open Python. This is interactive mode. Okay, so the thing is that with the interactive mode is that interactive mode interprets a code line by line. Like for example, let's put print hello, and then we enter hello. Okay, I told you there's two modes. The second mode is script mode. To go into script mode, we have to go into files, new files, and here this is script mode. In script mode, the difference between interactive mode and script mode is that interactive mode can only interpret one line of code at a time, while script mode we have to compile all the lines of code and then we have to run. For example, let's put print hello, and after that print hi. If we enter, it will go to the next line. So for here, we need to put run module, and okay. And one of the things about script mode is that we have to save the code before we run it. Okay, so we can put this as hello.py because py is the extension used for Python, which we should always use py as the extension. Okay, we save, and what comes? It's loading. Yes. Okay, here hello and hi. We put print hello and print hi. So this is the thing that came out for us, hello and hi. Okay. For one more thing is that when we go to script mode and write a code, we can to run it. There's a shortcut. The shortcut is F5. We just press F5 and it starts to save. Let's see. New file. We'll just print how I and okay. So F5. You give run F5. Yes. Okay, so we can save it now. Okay guys, I hope I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you next time with my new video, and I will be continuing this series. Look out for Python series part 2, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye.